Today I'll be doing an intensive revision on the cooling curve for the heating curve, on naphthalene for SPM students here in Malaysia. So let's get started. So as you can see, diagram 2.1 shows the heating curve of solid naphthalene C10H8. So let's go for question 1. Name the process involved in this experiment. Right. So since the cooling curve is good, since the curve is a heating curve, the question of solid naphthalene. So here we go, the time there. Okay, that's the graph. So name the process involved in this experiment. So process is melting. If it's the other way around, it's cooling. Okay. Say the type of particle present in naphthalene. So C10H8 naphthalenes are molecules. Okay. Explain why there is no change in temperature from B to C. Right. This answer is gonna help you guys in the exam very much. Okay. So explain why there's no change in temperature from B to C. From B to C. As you can see, it's just a straight line. Okay. Now explain why there's no change. Well, basically why there's no change is because the heat absorbed is used to overcome the forces of attraction between between the naphthalene naphthalene particles. Okay, this is like a universal answer. State how the movement of naphthalene particles changes from C to D during heating. Right, so basically the particles move freely and faster. Right, so there you go, take a look. So these are the answers. Most of the questions are going to come like that. So for the second part of it, this is the question number 2, Pahang 2009. So this is a diagram of a water bath thermometer, solid X, water. So diagram 1 shows the setup of a apparatus to determine the melting point of substance X by heating solid X until it melts. Then the temperature of substance X is recorded for every half a minute and is left to cool at room temperature. Right, so this is the cooling question. It's on cooling, but it's not a graph, it's just like a water bath. So what is the purpose of using a water bath in the experiment? Right, so to ensure uniform heating, so I use water bath. So the mainstream answers. Name one substance which has a melting point that can be determined by using a water bath. So naphthalene or acemitite. I'm not sure about the acemitite. I'm not sure about the spelling, guys, check it out. Acemitite. Sodium nitrate has a melting point 310 degrees Celsius. Can the melting point of sodium nitrate be determined by using a water bath as shown in the above diagram? Explain your answer. So the answer is no. Why? Because the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So you cannot determine the melting point using a water bath. So why do we need to stir the molten substance X when it's left to cool to room temperature? Easy, to avoid supercooling, which is basically formation of chunks. Of chunks during cooling. Okay guys, so that's about it for the chemistry for SPM students this year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. I'll be putting on more on chemistry, biology, physics, and maths, and so on. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe for more.